Welcome study lovers, I am Sufyan Ahmed and today we are going to learn that how to multiply two-digit number with a single digit. So for that you need to know the multiplications table from 2 to 9. Now coming to the multiplication table of 10, it is quite easier for you. Next coming to the multiplication table of 11. Okay, from 11 we are going to start that how to do the multiplications with any two-digit number with a single digit. So let's take an example like 11 into 93. So for that there are certain tricks need to be applied over there to multiply with 11. You just need to put that first digit simply over there and then you need to add the first digit with the single digit. So what we'll get, 9 plus 3 will get 12. From 12 2 will come and 1 will left out, isn't it? That 1 I will add with 9. So what I will get here, 10. So this is the answer. Quite easily I have find out the answer, the 11 into 93. Next example, 11 into 23. If someone asks you 11 into 23 is how much, then just have a look. I will put this 3 as it is. Next 3 plus 2 is how much, 5. Then 2 will come as it is. This is the answer. 11 into 23 is equal to 253, right? Moving to some more examples in case of 11. If someone asks you that 11 into 738 is how much? Okay, 738. So just have a look. 11 into 738. See, quite easily I will find out the answer. This 8 will come as it is. Next 8 plus 3, how much is 11? I will put here 1. Next remain 1. Then 3 plus 7, we know 10. 10 plus that 1, 11. Out of 11 I will put here 1 and then 1 left out, right? 7 will come here as it is, but 1 is left out, so 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is the answer. See, quite easily I have find out the answer. 11 into 738 is 8118, right? Coming to the next example, like 11 into 2376. Just have a look how I will find out. 6 will come here as it is. Next 7 plus 6, we know 13. 13, 3 come here, 1 left out. 7 plus 3, 10, and then 1 is 11. 11, 1 will come, 1 will left out. 3 plus 2 is 5, and then 1 I will get here 6. Then 2 will come here as it is. See, this is the answer. So such a big number, 2376 is being multiplied with 11. What I have got here, 26,136. Isn't it interesting, right? So I'm gonna give you some more examples and you people just try to give me the answer in the comment sections, right? Suppose 2, 3, 4, 7, this one. Please find out the answer and write in the comment sections. If I give here some more examples like 7, 38, 1, 2, okay? This two I'm not giving more. Next, moving to the multiplications table of 12. If someone asks you to say that 12 into 7, 12 into 8, 12 into 9 is how much, then you can give it in a fastest form of answer. Just have a look. 12 into 6. If someone asks you 12 into 6 is how much, before solving this 12 into 6, first of all I need to make you understand that 12, okay, if I expand this 12, then what it will form here, 10 plus 2, isn't it? So these things you need to understand over there. If I write here like 45, then what does it mean? What does it mean over here? 40 plus 5, isn't it? So this is the expanded form of 45 and 12. So for that we need to understand this these things over there to solve this one. First of all, we need to know that 12 is what? 10 plus 2, isn't it? So I am going to multiply with 6. For that, first of all I will try to multiply 6 with 10. 10 6 ja 60. 10 6 ja 60. Then 6 2 ja 12. So this thing should not be in a pen and paper format. This thing should be in your mind that 12 into 6 is how much. First of all you need to multiply this 6 with 1. So that here 1 it means what? 10. Then 2, right? 10 plus 2. So 6 10 ja 60 and 6 2 ja 12. So 60 plus 12, how much we are getting? 72. This concept you need to understand. Okay, I'm giving you some more examples so that you can understand clearly. If someone asks you 12 into 8 is how much, just have a look. First of all we need to multiply 8 with 1. So 8 1 ja 80, I will write here. Then 8 2 ja 16. Okay, so just have a look. 80 plus 16, this thing should be in your mind. I'm repeating time and again. So 80 plus 16 is how much? 96, right? Next, look into more examples. See, 12 into 9. How I will find out this answer? Have a look. 9 1 ja 90, I will write here. then 9 2 ja 18. Have a look, 90 plus 18, 108. See, quite easily I am finding out the answer, multiplication table of 12. You no need to memorize this multiplication table of 12, just you need to know 2 to 9. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the multiplication, how to find out the answer quite first form. Moving to the multiplication table of 13, same as it is, just you need to multiply this 6 with 3. So what we'll get, 6 3 ja 18, 10 plus 18, how much we are getting, 28. Right, so likewise this is the answer will come here in case of 13. Now moving to the multiplication table of 17, just have a look how I will multiply here. 17 into 8, just have a look. First of all, I will multiply this 8 with 1. Okay, the place value of 1 is here what, 10, right? So 8 into 1 I will get here 80, and 7 8 ja 56. So how much we are getting, 80 plus 56 is how much, 136. Moving to the some more examples of 17 into 7. So just have a look, the place value of 1 here is 10. To make you understand this place value, if I write here in case of 17, if I write here like 236, okay, what will be the place value of 3 here, 30, and what will be the place value of 2 here, here will be 200. Okay, so here 1 is 10 place value. For that 7 1 ja 70 I will write here, and then 7 7 ja 49. So how much we are getting, 119. Now moving to the some more bigger numbers. Okay, if I give here 53 into 4 suppose, then how I will write here, the place value of 5 here is 10, right, 50. So 5 4 ja 20 I am getting, and then I will add here one more 0, then 7 3 ja 4 3 ja 12. So how much we are getting, 212. See, if I take in more examples like 46 into 2, see how I will get here answer. The place below 4 is 40 over here, so 4 2 ja 8, and I will add here one more 0. Why? Because it's the place below here is 10. Next 6 2 ja 12, so 80 plus 12 is how much, 92. See, clear? So if you have any confusions regarding this multiplications table, how I have solved out here, so you can place your confusion or place your objections in the comment sections. Thank you for watching this video.